My Hotpoint Lft114 is stuck in one program. The P button does not seem to work other than turning the dishwasher on/off. The power button does not work. When using it cleans badly and usually has water, dirty, left in the bottom.
I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods plus years. And currently work well, no manufacturer. When you say it's stuck in the one cycle, is the light flashing? If so, which one is it? Regards.
No, not flashing, it just stuck in the one cycle. Heavy wash. The standby button does not work, but I start the dishwasher by pressing the P button, which does not change the cycle option, only starts the machine.
Okay, if you press and hold the on/off button seconds, that should reset the cycle. Will that work? Regards.
Although the standby button has a green light, pressing it or holding in down seconds does not do anything.
Okay, that's the only way to reset the control unit on these, so if that's not working, then it's looking like the control board may be faulty here. But try this if you haven't yet. Remove the plug from the socket completely, as this will allow the compound nuts on the board to fully discharge themselves. Leave it unplugged 20 minutes and then see if this clears it. If it's still the same after that, then I'm afraid to say the control board is the fault and will need to be replaced to cure this. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
Can you supply/send the part number control board?
The part number top board is C00258660. Now that's not the main board, as Teresa main control board at the bottom, but if this fails, then you need to get Hotpoint in, as the boards on there are sold blank and need programming up. But from the fault you describe with it not resetting or anything, it's the top control board, which is the part number above. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.